What is up, folks? Welcome back to another video. We're going leather this time, folks. We're going leather with the ultra thin for the iPhone Air and then also the 17 Pro Max. We got red and we got brown. And it's from SandMarc. I appreciate them hooking it up. They told me, pick what you want, Jay. I said, oh, I got to go with that red on the Max. Check this out, folks. This red is stupid nice. Look at that. And the thing about these cases, man, is, you know, they cover all the modules well. Like they kill off that centerpiece. And you look at this right here, man. You got the covering of the power button. Isn't that beautiful, man? This is a beautiful deep red, candy apple red, almost like the color of my Corvette. Ooh, look at that, man. You got a little bit of branding right here. Really sleek, really sexy. All the modules are separated, which is what I love. And I just think the buttons with the different shade of red for the, like a metallic on the buttons there. That's crazy. So sick. Ooh. Now it's time to kick it over to the Air. This is my favorite iPhone of this year. And I cannot wait to show you this brown. Ooh, that, folks, is a thing of beauty. Real nice, deep mocha brown. Just, oh, I mean, I'm talking about really nice. And you see the MagSafe in there too. Let me grab something, this MagSafe real quick. You can see. Oh, man. Yeah, baby. But check this out, folks. This is a thing of beauty. Oof. That is nice. Nice, real leather material. And again, about this one, I like this case because it's covered on that area for the camera button. A lot of cases, they're not covered. And so this one has a different metallic button in brown. I mean, that's just fire right there, man. It's a little spot for a lanyard, but I don't know who'd want to put a lanyard on this case. But I guess, and the module on this one is separated just how I like it. I like a nice separation of camera modules. Also, and this module has a glass protector on it. So that lets you know that it will work. For those that are wondering, if you have a glass protector on your camera module, will it work? And it will work. Buttons are nice and tactile too, man. I mean, they are nice. This is a very nice setup here. So here they are, man. Oof. Two of the greats from Apple, man. Two of the greats. These cases are really nice. The leather on them is just so, it feels so premium. And I don't think you're going to go wrong with these, man. It's up to you to determine this is what you want to do, but I'm telling you, I wouldn't steer you wrong. These doggone cases feel really good. You can get a leather case anywhere. A lot of people like to jump on Amazon and, you know, get things direct from Amazon. There is a big selection of cases out there, and I think you need to find the one that's for you. Get you a leather case, get you a rugged case, get you a thin case, you know, get you that everyday case, change with your gear. I don't know, but I have a boatload of cases that I switch in and out for all types of the day. It's your man, Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Links in the description. Take care.